in '64 I changed to hotel and restaurant management, which was in the home ec school of home ec, and that was I really enjoyed that. In that course you had to work in the cafeteria. There was a cafeteria. I'm not sure if it was a home ec cafeteria, but when I was working there, that's how I learned to make my rolls. There was a couple ladies in there that when they had homemade rolls every day in the cafeteria, and they showed me how to make the rolls. And so that was one thing my dad said, you did accomplish one thing. You learned how to make our rolls, which we're famous for right now. Just baking them fresh right before you eat them every day. I mean, that's the secret of any good bread. Even when your grandmother or your mother made bread, when it came out of the oven, and you had good butter or had a good jam and put on it, and that's the secret of rolls. I mean, there's a process. You got to use good quality ingredients, but when you bring them right out of the oven and the butter melts and you got a good jam or something, I think that's probably one of my favorite foods, bread, when it's good and hot, and it's worked well for this restaurant, and real well. Here's where we're baking the rolls. We try to bake them right before people eat them, and we'll sell probably 20 to 40 dozen every day of rolls. On a Saturday or Sunday, we'll probably make about 5 or 6 batches. It's 100 pounds of flour there.
That machine looks like it's made a roll or two.
It's made a roll or two.